on the board, destined for greatness. Yeah. Yeah, every scar tell a story from my skin. Never break, only build from within. Man rise up from the ground like king. Face strong, now my born for when pressure turn diamond. See me shine bright, hunger in my chest every single night. Now the world I call my name on the light. Me never lose focus, keep my side. Crowd every put me head, but my way red proud. Champion energy, my voice so loud. The journey they making them can't slow down. From the dust to the throne, me on the ground. Crowd every put me head, but my way red proud. Champion energy, my voice so loud. The journey they making them can't slow down. From the dust to the throne, me on the ground. Me no chase height, me chase elevation. Clean out my foundation. Them want test my vibration, but me stand tall in a meditation. Every setback I set up for the win. My destiny lock it come from within. When the beat drop, feel the fire in my vein. And the boy again greatness remain. From the pain, me rise. Champion life, me claim the prize. Crown every pa me head, but me wear it proud. Champion energy, my voice so loud. The journey they making them can't slow down. From the dust to the throne, me on the ground. Crown every pa me head, but me wear it proud. Champion energy, my voice so loud. The journey they making them can't slow down. From the dust to the throne, me on